So here we have the Vauxhall Corsa on a 16 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car with those black alloy wheels and tinted windows. We'll start off inside the boot first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we've got plenty of boot space. You can fold that rear seat down as one complete unit to give you even more space again, should you wish to do that. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. We have the speedometer on the right-hand side. In the centre at the top, we have the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge, beneath which we have the trip computer, which includes the total miles of this car. And beneath that, you can see those total miles. They are 46,167. You can change the information displayed in that central section using controls on the indicator stalk. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the right hand side we have stereo and phone controls, and on the left hand side cruise control and speed limiter. Over in the centre we then have the touchscreen for the car, so you can get back to the home screen from there. When it comes to audio, first of all, which is the menu we started on, we've got AM, FM and DAB radio, USB inputs and Bluetooth audio as well, so you can stream your music wirelessly as well as making and receiving phone calls once you paired your phone, of course, which is done under the phone heading just there. You can project certain Vauxhall friendly apps up onto this screen, connect up your smartphone via its USB cable, and then you can hit that button and they'll appear up on there for you. We have the city button to make the power steering lighter, for parking, for example, or of course driving in the city. Deadlock, so you can lock and unlock the car doors. And then beneath that, we have the air conditioning. So you can determine the temperature, fan speed and direction that the air is being distributed in. The air conditioning is on at the moment, so that's off, back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you set. And again, you can turn that off very easily as well. We have a heated rear screen just there, 12-volt charging socket, USB input, and a 5-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.